Verisurf 2026 simplifies the inspection of machine honeycomb parts using scan data through the addition of a new highest filter for point clouds. Traditional methods of inspecting machine honeycomb are slow or prone to inaccuracies. Probing the top edge of a honeycomb cell is challenging, and measuring a shim in lieu of the actual surface is time-consuming and adds another level of uncertainty to the process. Non-contact scanners provide fast, accurate measurements, but typically scan more of the cell wall than its top edge. The new highest filter in Verisurf 2026 removes this limitation by selecting only the highest point in the direction of a reference vector within a specified search radius. This new filter, accessed from the Cloud Speed menu in the Analysis, Measure, and Reverse managers, offers two modes: WCS, Z-axis, and Surface. The 3D cloud data is first projected onto the XY plane or the CAD surface, depending on mode. These flattened points are then filtered using the specified search radius to establish a set of target points. Since there's only one highest point per search zone, increasing the radius decreases the number of target points. Finally, the highest point in the cylindrical volume, defined by each target point, and its reference vector, either the z-axis of the WCS or the surface normal, is selected to create a new cloud of highest points. Verisurf includes additional tools that can be used to verify the accuracy of the filtered cloud. Power surface is first used to create a surface through the highest points. The points are then analyzed to the fitted surface to show how well they conform. The new highest filter was designed to inspect honeycomb parts, but it's equally useful for other scanned parts where low points must be removed. With the new highest filter in Verisurf 2026, you can inspect machine honeycomb and similar parts quickly and accurately using non-contact scanners.